Hey, got a report that Mr. Negative's near Feast in Chinatown, but nothing from Miles. Do you think...
Miles is fine. We're out looking for him now. Find Lee. Miles has to be there too. Has to be.
I'll go check it out. If he so much as laid a hand on Miles!
Hello? It's Dr. Connors. Sorry, I asked Harry for your number. Please, come back to the lab. We need to remove the symbiote. The hold that it's already taking on your mind, it's only going to get worse.
I'm busy! No one listens! Can't forget about Lee. Ganke said he was seen near Feast.
I left the best parts of me here. I'm not looking for a fight. Kraven has the other Spider-Man trapped in an old mansion east of the city. He saved me. Told me to find you. This was the only way I knew how. I owe him my life. And much more. If we hurry...
No. You've done enough.
You should be proud of him. It reminds me of you.
Reminds him of me. He doesn't even know me. Or Miles. A little bit of help now, all of a sudden he's a good guy. As soon as Miles is safe, Lee's going back in a cell. Not now, MJ! Is Spider-Man doing more harm than good? How about now? Now who needs the old Spider-Man? What's so great about the new Spider-Man anyway? He can't even stop some hunters! They destroyed the EMF! Destroyed my life! I'm going to lose May's house because of them and... Kraven! Kill Kraven.
I wonder if the little spider will survive.
Where is he? Where is Spider-Man? Find him yourself! Stay focused, boy! Show him who's relocating! Tell me where he is! Tell me! Out of the way! He is not faster than your bullet! Get out of the way! I'm assured that material is unbreakable. But I believe anything can be broken. You still hold back. Maybe you lack motivation. Now you're in for it. Let us make this a glorious ending! You destroyed my city! Took the lives of so many people! That was their fate, just as this is ours. Your followers treat you like some kind of god! You're just a dying old man, looking for a way out! So you know then? Then you know I will not die in a sick bed! Only an equal may taste my last breath! Rip me apart and parade your achievement through the streets! I hope you're enjoying this. Tonight won't end well for you. I study all of my prey. You are agile, intelligent, vulnerable to emotion. So am I. Do not let the taste of power get to your head. My. Minds? Observe it. Am I too quick for you? Not hold back! Stronger than I thought! Show me what you are capable of! Stop hiding! from me! You call me a dying old man, and yet... You call me a dying old man, and yet... Here I am free. Shut up! Come, crush my bones into powder! Leave my body for the maggots and the pit... Need more distance! You can't hide from me! Mine! I'll show you what I can do! I can't! Kill. Do not let the sound stop you! Fight it! Kill me, and the ringing stops! Gorgeous. They'll tear you limb from limb! Do it, or I will gut you and mount you on my wall. To me! Couldn't fight me yourself! Can't use my suit's ability! So many years, I've waited for a predator capable of defeating me. Enough talking! And then I found you. And you'll regret that! No, I won't. I will not let God decide my fate! Anything until that sound stops! But you still hold back. Kill or be killed.
Sorry about that. It's just me.
You almost killed him, man! What are you doing? You're in the way, Miles! Always in the way. I could have fixed everything! How? By strangling him? That's not what we do! Try to mentor me! You're the one running away from your problems! You're the one hell-bent on revenge! Revenge? All I wanted was to protect my family! Protect you! You're not better than me! I'm not saying that! You're stronger than some soup, Pete! Don't listen to it! And what? Listen to you? Yes! Listen to me! What are you so afraid of? He's dodging! I need to slow him down! You can't hide from me, Miles! Maybe some venom will do the trick. Let's give that suit a taste of venom. I need this suit. It makes me a better Spider-Man. You just want it for yourself. All I want is to save you. I'm the hero. I don't get sick. doing this? I made you! You owe me! I know you don't mean that! All I wanted was to save everyone! MJ! May! Now the city thinks that I'm the problem! I'm the problem. But I'm not anymore! I'm the solution. We can still see you! I can't let this go! I'm finally everything everyone needs me to be!
Yeah? You don't even answer my calls anymore, man! And what about MJ? You could have killed her! I know you're hurting, Pete, but you're better than this!
I know! I know! But... No.
People in my life, they keep dying. I blame myself for that. They needed a hero, and if I thought some suit could save them, maybe I'd be in your shoes now. But this kind of power is the reason they're gone. Not you, not me. Shut up! You've got to be stronger than that. This time, you have to save yourself. You will. I'm not losing you, Pete. Pete, come on, man. Just focus on me. Come on! I'm stronger than this. You hear me? Come on. Let's move. These last few days... Miles, I'm sorry. Thank you. For everything. It's what Spider-Men do. Spider-Man didn't save me back there. Miles did. What now? I have to talk to Dr. Connors. He said he knows how to destroy it. Wait, what about Harry? Doesn't he kind of need it? His dad is working on another cure. One that doesn't involve aliens. You know, if you need me, I'm just a call away. Well, once I let my mom know this, she still has a son. I know. Just glad to have you back, man.
Dr. Connors, I got the suit off. It's contained, but what do I do now?
Bring it to Oscorp Tech. There's a tank there that will subdue it. I have to prep a few things first, but I'll let you know when I'm on my way. One thing before we meet. Now that the symbiote is off of you, how are you feeling?
Fine. Relieved that it's over. Ashamed at what I did.
It's not your fault. There's still so much we don't know. Just tell me right away if you feel any changes in mood, behavior...
But it's off me. I'm cured, right?
Very likely. Yes. Just do your best to keep that thing contained.
Copy that. Okay. I've been ignoring the city for too long. Kraven's drones are still hunting people. Gotta track them down. Oh, I haven't told MJ yet.
Hello?
MJ, I got the suit off. And I'm so sorry for
Go on.
treating you and everyone I care about like absolute crap. I'm heading to Oscorp to store the suit until Dr. Connors and I can figure out what to do.
Does Harry know?
No. But Norman's been working on an alternate cure that's showing real promise. We will save Harry. you ran a few reds, guys! Hey, guys! Can you drop yourselves off at the nearest jail? That's a roadblock, all right. I'll rip your limbs off, spider! Here comes the pain!
I can smell your weakness, Spider-Man!
Good game, guys. Same time next week?
Okay. I'm heading over to Oscorp Tower now.
Right. See you there.
Hey, about you taking the suit to Oscorp. Does Harry know?
No. But Norman's been working on an alternate cure that's showing real promise. We will save Harry.
Well, it's a relief to hear you sounding like yourself again. Go wrap things up. I'll see you at home.
Got a lot more apologies to make when this is all settled. One thing at a time.
Finally got it off. My hero.
Harry, we've got to destroy it. It's too dangerous. I don't want you to lose yourself. Like I did.
Pete. Please.
You don't understand. Connor said it was... I saved your life! You won't save mine? You want me to die?
Harry, are you... Oh, God.
No! Don't hurt him! It's off of him! On your knees! Hands on your head! Get back up in here now! What is that? Run! Run! The hell with non-lethal! Fire everything! It only ends one way!
Harry, stop! I know it seems hopeless. We've never been closer to a cure. Dealt with flying one. And so does Peter.
How do we know he's in control? We don't want to hurt you!
Look at all the work we're doing. I'm exploring every possibility there is. The failures we've had, they're normal. They're normal, Harry. And the important thing is, we only need to succeed once.
If you... Lock down the whole building!
Tell the other floors to evacuate. There's nowhere else for you to go, Harry. Stop! I can save you.
Doc! Remember, just subdue him! Get your hands off him!
but